It could be argued that first aid is something we should carry every day, but especially on adventures when we're away from help. When you need first aid, you want it to be sure that the contents are intact. Vessel ensures your essential first aid components are not only protected, but are easy to access. First aid is designed to ensure you're always prepared for the unplanned on every situation, whether it's day-to-day or life in the outdoors. Vessel First Aid comes pre-packed with a curated set of outdoor-specific components that are perfectly organized in our custom first aid roll for easy access. Now, let's have a look at what's inside. Everything in here is curated to support a variety of adventures and make sure you're ready for pretty much anything. The bottom end cap has a 200 lumen 4-mode flashlight, long press on for high beam, low beam, red, and SOS. The other end cap is an oil-filled precision compass, perfect for outdoor navigation. Here's our adventure tape, perfect to bandage wounds, mark trails, and repair gear. Medical grade vinyl gloves. This roll has a compact design and is adventure ready. It has a curated set of outdoor specific first aid components that are perfectly organized for easy access. You can count on your Vessel First Aid to be ready when you need it most. It comes with 4 large bandages, 2 disposable thermometers, a medical mask, and so much more. And there you have it. That is our first aid vessel. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. It's been awesome. We're excited to have you guys as partners, and we're really excited to watch what Vessel's doing not only today, but also in the future. Thank you very much.